Alright, found a fountain in Bruges. It's like a horse is puking out some liquid, but we're gonna see what it is. Ooh, it's white tequila. Gross, Bruges. That was not cool. Bad trick, man. Bad trick. Ugh. So we're here at the Belgian Beer Museum. It's right on the canal. The boat tours are all around. It's kind of a touristy little spot, but that doesn't keep it from being awesome. You can get a sampler beer, and of course I chose the strong sampler. You can also get the mild and the mixed or something, but how would you do that? Anyway, they give you some nuts, some sausages, and some cheese, and then 4 beers. Got Delirium, Carolus, Strafhendrick, and Pas d'Eu. I don't know. 8.5%, 8.5%, 9%, 10%. They're all pretty good. This one, the Pas d'Eu, is it's a triple, and it's only brewed during the full moon. It's good. So anyway, €10 gets you a sampler and some snacks, and it's not a bad deal. You get to try some different stuff on a really nice setting. So I'd recommend this place. About to do the canal cruise. It's a very quaint, cute, €8 piece. So I did this last time I was here and loved it. See how much has changed in the past 2 years.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon and welcome on board. I will give you some more explanations on the sites which you will admire during this 30 minutes tour.
You got, what did you get?
Death by chocolate.
In a tiki mug. Alright, and so you tell me what you got?
I've got the hot chocolate with a whole bunch of stuff that I could add. So this is just hot milk.
Okay.
And then he said just add as much or as little. Can you get a little? It's got a little.
Yes.
Cool. See, and I'm making it with my little whisk.
Get little cookies too.
Best hot chocolate ever.
So this is your first Belgian waffle of the trip, huh?
Wow, too pretty to eat. Dip it in the chocolate. Oh my god, so good.
So we're back at the half moon. The half man means the half moon. And they make this beer, the Strafhendrick. This is the quad. This is 11%. It's excellent. They also make the Bruges 6% blonde. And the brewery's right here. It's right in the middle of town. You can smell it for a ways. It's a pretty cool place. This courtyard's really nice. The restaurant looks good. And the beer is excellent. And we also got some cheese. It's like aged cheese. Dip it in the mustard. It's a very spicy mustard. Excellent. So you go into this church thing. It's supposed to be the blood of Jesus. Right behind that tabernacle, but they don't let you see it. I don't know if they like cart it out specific times a year or something, but it's kind of locked up there. No Jesus blood for you. No. Yeah, you can see something in there. But it's locked up and packed away. Going off in the background, classic Bruges. This is a really cool beer bar with a great draft selection, and geez, the amount of bottles they have is incredible. Very close to our Airbnb, very close to Central Square. If you're in town, you should check this out. This is my first time here. I'm regretting not coming here the last time I was here. They had a very wide selection, some really weird stuff. We got like a banana lambic that it was the only one that they had from that particular brewery, and they actually had a glass for it. It's pretty impressive. But they had some great stuff on draft. I had a Grand Cru that was excellent. Worth coming here. And it's not very touristy. There weren't a lot of people in there, so highly recommended. What'd you get?
Mussels with garlic sauce.
It's a Bruges specialty.
Oh yeah.
And frites. And I got cheese croquettes. Cheese croquettes are basically mozzarella sticks with some aged Gouda in them. They're good. It's fried cheese. So don't be scared of the cheese croquette. So about a 15-minute walk from the city square in Bruges, it's this really beautiful park with 2 windmills. Well worth the walk. Doesn't seem like a lot of people get out here, but it's a sight to see. And what does one do when one visits a windmill? Drink a windmill beer, of course. Windmill beers are the best. Well, yesterday I was taking my drone out to film this beautiful canal. Wanted to get a shot just going along the canal with the swans there, and so I lifted off right around here, got it up right over here, and it took off, and then it kind of drifted, and that was it. Drone was gone. My little spark, bye-bye. It's a shame because I had good plans for it for the rest of the trip. Yeah, it's a bummer. I'm thinking about trying to find someone with like a stick and a fish net or something to help fish it out. Contacted the Airbnb people to see if they had any ideas. They were basically like, nah, you're probably not getting that back. But it's a very lovely place for a drone to go and die. Very pretty. So, oh well. R.I.P. drone.